everyone, my name is Sowjanya. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. As this is my first vlog, so please excuse me if I miss any clips.
Okay then, let's get into the video.
It's 6:30 in the morning. We all got freshened up, had our breakfast and get started our journey from Rajahmundry to Maredumilli. It approximately took 2 hours to get there. In middle, we stopped at this beautiful place which is Bhupatipalam Reservoir. We saw few amazing places in the way of our journey and clicked a few pictures also. Here comes the photo dump for few seconds. As we are going in the middle of the forest, so we can see few animals. We reached Amruthadara and going to Waterfalls area. We need to just go down of the mountain to see the waterfalls. This is the path we just covered and a lot more to cover. Actually, this is the point of the waterfalls, but there are few guys, so we just chosen to go to the second viewpoint of the waterfalls. This is the second viewpoint of Amruthadara. As compared to the first viewpoint, it is not that much good. While returning, we got a chance to see the first viewpoint also. So there is a water slide which we can enjoy a lot. If you want to enjoy in Amruthadara, just go for the first viewpoint.